Sa YouTube para makita nila ma. Si Imada online.
Yeah? Happy birthday to you, the both of you.
Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you.
Go tayo. Ay, kinain ka pa naman.
Okay. Again na. Okay, wish. Wish.
Hindi yun.
Okay.
Alam mo yun.
Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Woo! Oo nga. Ano ba naman yan? Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Thank you.
Happy birthday, ne? Hey! Hey, you!
Hey, you!
He's talking to... Sino ba yun? Sino ba yun, ha? Video mo. Bigla ka ng grapes. Nene.
Mag-ano kami? Dalawa kami. Birthday.
Dalawa kayo? Sabi ko nga.
Hindi, sige. Sabay ka sa amin.
All day.
Huwag ka tumingin sa... Huwag ka tumingin! Huwag ka tumingin!
Sige, dito na lang ako.
All day, staring at the ceiling, friends with shadows of the moon.
Nananakot.
All night, hearing voices telling me that I should get some sleep, because tomorrow might be something. Hold on, feeling like I'm headed home. Way down, and I don't know why. I'm not crazy, I'm just a little unknown. I know right now you can't stop, but stay a while. Everything you see, a different side of me. I'm not crazy, I'm just a little bit scared. I know
Nalasing na ako.
but soon I'm gonna take down how it used to be.
Yeah, I was.
Me talking to myself.
Lalagay mo?
Lahat yan lalagay ko.
Na yung grapes, oh. Nakatenga doon.
Talking about me, I can hear them whisper. O sige, mga text tayo dyan. With me, out of all the hours thinking, somehow I've lost my mind. But I'm not crazy, I'm just a little under. I know right now you can tell, but stay a while, maybe then you'll see a different side of me. I'm not crazy, I'm just a little bit pale. I know right now you don't care, but soon
Harap ka dito, huwag kang bastos.
tell me how I used to be.
Ano sabi ni Amen? Si Jenna
I've been talking in my sleep.
Sabi ni Amen?
Tinatamad daw siyang
Malayong biyahe. May next time pa naman daw eh.
Yeah, they're taking me away. I'm not crazy, I'm just a little unreal. I know right now you don't care, but stay a while and maybe then you'll see a different
Kay
side.
Jed ang kamay yan, oh. Sumusubo.
And how I used to be.
Jed, Jed,
How I used to be.